And now the weekly chart forecast issued by the Chart Office today, Friday, the 22nd of August, 2003. The general chart synopsis: positions 40 to 30, movement expected. 20 to 10, variable, top 10 unstable. Busted, fresh southern threesome. Sleeping with the light on, coming in fast. Zits increasing. Barnet fair, windswept, spiky. Charlie eyebrows heavy. Testosterone rising. Gonads expected to drop any time. Snedden, David. Jock, north of border, Grundy's tartan. Wind full of. Best of order rising sharply, though could drop suddenly. Long-term future outlook bleak. Boat race grim. Phonics, stereo. Ugly shower maybe tomorrow, falling steadily. Moronic squall as expected. Jones, Kelly, squat, taff, dismal. Talent low. Vocally grating. Future outlook depressing. Girls cheeky. Totty Transylvanian twins. Flirty. Posteriors pert though partially bony. Norks port affair, teeth craggy. Hooray, hooray, it's a cheeky holiday. Rising steadily. Mumsy manager. Beddingfield, Daniel, talent rising. Never gonna leave your side, dropping rapidly. Meteoric success chilled. Cool though wet lettuce. Severely dull. Big thermals. Bishop Basher. And that concludes the chart forecast issued at 14:50 MNL time today, Friday the 22nd of August 2003. Ahead of the official chart show with Wes this Sunday, 4 till 7.